In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the connection attempt. Failed error in Rust, so you can get back to surviving in the wilderness. This frustrating issue usually happens because of network hiccups or outdated game files. First, try the simplest fix by restarting your Steam client and the game. If that does not work, you should verify the integrity of your game files. To do this, right-click Rust in your Steam library, select Properties, and find the Local Files tab. Click the button to verify files and wait for Steam to replace any missing data. Another common culprit is the Easy Anti-Cheat system. Navigate to your game folder, find the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file, and choose the Repair option. You should also check your firewall settings to ensure the game has full access to the internet. Sometimes a simple DNS flush through your command prompt can clear out old data blocking your path. Following these steps one by one will resolve most connectivity issues and let you play again.